Thailand is a land of wonder. From bustling cities to serene beaches, it has something for everyone. But tucked away on the Andaman coast is a place of true magic, Phang Nga Bay. Imagine towering limestone cliffs rising from emerald waters. Picture secret lagoons and hidden caves just waiting to be discovered. This is Phang Nga Bay, a place where adventure meets tranquility. Phang Nga Bay is a breathtaking tapestry of natural beauty. The bay is dotted with hundreds of islands, each one unique and captivating. Some are small and uninhabited, offering sanctuary to exotic birds and marine life. Others are larger, home to traditional fishing villages and ancient cave systems. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a glimpse into Thailand's rich cultural heritage, Phang Nga Bay has something to offer. Explore hidden lagoons by kayak, marvel at the iconic James Bond Island, or simply unwind on the deck of a traditional longtail boat. In Phang Nga Bay, every moment is an opportunity to create lasting memories. So come, let the gentle sea breeze carry your worries away as you embark on an unforgettable journey through this Thai paradise. One of the most striking features of Phang Nga Bay is its iconic limestone karst formations. These towering cliffs rise dramatically from the turquoise waters, creating a surreal and awe-inspiring landscape. Millions of years in the making, these karsts are a testament to the power of nature. Imagine standing on the deck of a boat, the warm sun on your face and a gentle breeze in your hair. As you gaze out at the bay, you're greeted by a sight that takes your breath away. Towering limestone cliffs, some reaching hundreds of feet high, pierce the sky. These karst formations are not just visually stunning, they're also home to a diverse ecosystem. Caves hidden within the cliffs provide shelter for bats and birds. The surrounding waters teem with marine life, drawn to the shelter and nutrients provided by the limestone. The best way to experience the majesty of these karsts is from the water. Take a boat tour through the bay and marvel at their sheer size and unique formations. Or, for a more adventurous experience, rent a kayak and paddle through hidden lagoons and mangrove forests. No trip to Phang Nga Bay is complete without a visit to the legendary James Bond Island. Made famous by the 1974 Bond film, The Man with the Golden Gun, this iconic islet has become a symbol of the bay's allure. Officially known as Khao Phing Khan, James Bond Island is instantly recognizable by its unique shape. A tall, needle-shaped limestone rock, seemingly balanced precariously on a larger base, juts out from the water. This distinctive formation has made it one of the most photographed landmarks in Thailand. As you approach the island by boat, you can't help but feel a sense of excitement and wonder. The island's fame has drawn visitors from all over the world, eager to see the setting of a classic film with their own eyes. While the island itself is off-limits to visitors to prevent erosion, you can still get up close and personal with this iconic landmark. Boats circle the island, allowing you to capture the perfect photo from every angle. Koh Phanyi, the floating village. Nestled at the foot of a towering limestone cliff lies Koh Phanyi, a village built entirely on stilts over the water. This remarkable community, home to a thriving fishing community, offers a glimpse into a unique way of life. Legend has it that Koh Phanyi was founded centuries ago by Indonesian fishermen who vowed to settle wherever they found abundant fishing grounds. Unable to build on the rocky shores, they constructed their homes on stilts over the water, creating a village that floats on the tides. Today, Koh Phanyi is a bustling community of homes, shops, and even a school and mosque, all precariously perched above the water. Visitors can wander through the narrow walkways, marvel at the ingenuity of the village's construction, and sample delicious local seafood. One of the highlights of a visit to Koh Phanyi is the opportunity to experience the local culture. The villagers are warm and welcoming, and you can learn about their traditional fishing techniques and way of life. Adventures in paradise kayaking and cave exploration. For those seeking adventure, Phang Nga Bay is an explorer's paradise. Kayaking through hidden lagoons, exploring ancient caves, and swimming in bioluminescent waters are just a few of the thrills that await. One of the best ways to experience the bay's hidden gems is by kayak. Paddle through mangrove forests where the air is thick with the scent of salt and sea. Glide through narrow channels flanked by towering limestone cliffs, their reflections shimmering on the water's surface. Venture into hidden caves, some adorned with ancient stalactites and stalagmites, and marvel at the geological wonders hidden within. Some caves even open up into secret lagoons, bathed in ethereal light filtering through openings in the ceiling. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider a nighttime kayaking tour. As darkness descends, the water comes alive with bioluminescent plankton, creating a magical spectacle of twinkling lights with every paddle stroke. The bay's rich ecosystem. Beneath its surface beauty, Phang Nga Bay harbors a rich and diverse ecosystem. From colorful coral reefs to playful dolphins, the bay teems with life, making it a haven for nature lovers. The sheltered waters of the bay provide a safe haven for a wide variety of marine life. Snorkel or dive through coral gardens teeming with colorful fish, graceful rays, and even the occasional sea turtle. Keep an eye out for playful dolphins, which are often spotted frolicking in the bay's waters. The mangrove forests that fringe the bay's islands are another vital part of the ecosystem. These unique trees, able to tolerate saltwater, provide shelter and breeding grounds for a variety of species, including crabs, mud skippers, and numerous bird species. Birdwatchers will be in their element in Phang Nga Bay. White-bellied sea eagles soar overhead, kingfishers dart among the mangroves, and colorful hornbills perch on branches, their calls echoing through the air. Planning your Phang Nga Bay adventure. Getting to Phang Nga Bay is easy, with convenient access from Phuket and Krabi. Whether you prefer a guided tour or independent exploration, there are options to suit every travel style. The nearest airport to Phang Nga Bay is Phuket International Airport (HKT). From Phuket, you can hire a private longtail boat, join a group tour, or take a ferry to the bay. Krabi Airport (KBV) is another option, with boat tours and transfers readily available. When to visit Phang Nga Bay depends on your preferences. The dry season, from November to April, offers the best weather for outdoor activities, with sunny skies and calm waters. The wet season, from May to October, sees more rain but also fewer crowds and lusher landscapes. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a deeper connection with nature, Phang Nga Bay is a destination that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of this Thai paradise. Love discovering hidden gems like this? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible travel spots around the world.